People keep telling me that paradiddles are great and that I should know them and I can play them, but I don't know how to use them. Is this you? I'm assuming it is. Here's how you use paradiddles in a groove. It's my favourite. You're gonna love it. If you don't know what paradiddles are, literally go to the playlist, the New Drummers Toolkit. It's got the explanation in it. I will not bore you anymore with it. People use paradiddles in fills all the time. So on and so forth. But my favourite application for paradiddles are grooves, and I'm going to show you why. It's because they're sick. Obviously, I mean, I wouldn't play it otherwise, but they're great. Makes your groove sound way more interesting if you're bored of playing just 8 notes. Right? How do you do it? Well, first of all, you play paradiddles. If you can't play paradiddles, you definitely can't play them in a groove. Secondly, instead of just playing them on a snare drum or between toms, you're going to put your right hand either on the ride cymbal or the hi-hat. Player's choice. I'm not your mum. You can do what you want. More importantly, you've got your left hand on the snare drum. You're just going to literally play paradiddles. Right, left, right, left, right, left, left. So you're going to play the first half normally. Right, left, right, right. Now, you're going to play the left, this left, nice and big, nice and accented. Left, right, left, left. So you get right, left, right, left, left. And thus emerges the backbeat. Fantastic. Now, if possible, make all the other notes on the snare drum nice little tiny baby ghost notes. It'll just sound better. Take some time, get that up to speed. Now, you can place bass drums wherever the hell you want, but my suggestion is generally on the one, especially if you're just starting. So 1 E and a 2 E and a paradiddle, paradiddle. You can then down the line start to adventure with different bass drum patterns. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and 4 E and a 3 and 4, 1, 3 and 4. But if you're just starting, just stick with the one. Also, side note. Nice little sexy side note called the ride bell. It's really cool when you place it not only on the one, so 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, if you put it on the E of 2, so 1 E and a 2 E and a. Sounds sick. Have fun with that. I know you will, because it's awesome.